Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Instagram comment section positive and free from unwanted messages, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through the latest way to hide comments containing specific keywords on the Instagram app for PC. This updated method is quick, effective, and gives you more control over your online experience. Let's get started with the first step. Open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all the features you need. Once you're on your home page, look to the left side menu and find the More icon. This icon usually appears as 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it, and a list of options will appear. From this menu, choose Settings. This is where you can adjust your account preferences and privacy controls. Inside Settings, look for the section called Hidden Words. This is the feature that helps you filter out comments you don't want to see. Click into Hidden Words. Here, you'll see an option labeled Manage Custom Words and Phrases. Select this, and you'll be able to add any specific words or phrases that you want Instagram to automatically filter out from your comments. Now, to activate the filter, make sure you enable Hide Comments. Once this is switched on, any comment containing the words or phrases you've added will be automatically hidden from your posts. This means you won't have to manually delete or block unwanted comments. They'll be filtered out before you even see them. You can always come back and update your list of hidden words at any time. If you notice new phrases you'd like to block, just add them to your custom list and Instagram will take care of the rest. Taking these steps helps you create a more welcoming and enjoyable space on your Instagram profile. No more worrying about spam, negativity, or unwanted messages cluttering your posts. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy a cleaner, more positive Instagram experience, and don't forget to check back for more helpful tips.